Hi, welcome back to Baking with Sarah. It's officially September. Fall is a few days away, so I'm legally required to bake something with apples. Not up to me. Fall makes the rules. Today we're making an apple crisp. Not a pie, but a crisp. A pie requires you to make dough from scratch and roll it out, but a crisp is a simple, easy, one-dish wonder. It's warm and cozy and gives you that fall vibe. Not to mention it makes your house smell like cinnamon and nutmeg, which is what I want it to smell like 24/7, especially during the fall. I'm using Honeycrisp apples because they're sweet, tart, and hold their shape. Plus, if I'm being honest, they were on sale at the grocery store, and I'm not above a good deal. This is also a great dish to make if you're cooking with your toddler around. But since September also means they're back at school, I can bake in peace. Let's start baking. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease a 9 by 13 inch baking pan. Peel and chop 8 apples of your choice. These are Honeycrisps. Peeling the apples, doo-dee-dee-dee-dee. Peeling the apples, dee-doo-doo-doo-doo. Drop! Magic. Put them all in a bowl. Add a half a cup of light brown sugar. Break it up. A 1/4 cup of flour. A teaspoon of vanilla extract. Bloop. A teaspoon of cinnamon. Boop. A 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Boop. A half a teaspoon of nutmeg. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. This gets me so excited just mixing the apples and smelling the nutmeg because it is my favorite season that is approaching, fall. It's just the best. It has the best baked goods, best smells, best cool air, the chill in the air, best holidays. Fall is like a warm hug for baking. And it makes you just want to bake all the time. All right, I think we got it. Apples. Boop. Fill the dish with all your apple goodness. Let's make that crumb topping. Cinnamon, brown sugar, and butter. Doesn't get much better than that. A half a cup of butter, cold and cubed. Choppity choppy, choppity choppy. 3/4 cup flour. 3/4 cup light brown sugar. A teaspoon of cinnamon. Boop. My favorite whisk. Whisk, 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 whisk. Whisk, 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 whisk. Add the butter. Smush it up. You want to break it down into little crumb pieces. And if you use a pastry cutter, it just gets stuck to the pastry cutter, so might as well get stuck to your hands. If you don't like touching it, that's a whole nother story. Add a cup of rolled oats. Mush, 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 mush. Sticky. I'm not even gonna wash my hands because it's going straight onto the apple goodness. Just spread it all around. Get every inch of apple covered in delicious crumb topping. Another great thing about a crisp is you don't have to be so precise. This is how easy it is to make a crisp. Boop, 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 boop. Done. Speaking of boop, let's boop it in the oven. While the crisp is baking, let me tell you one of the main reasons I decided to make a crisp this week. So last week my son was super into apples. Apple, apple, apple. Every day he wanted apples with his lunch. He wanted apples as a snack. All about the apple. So I stocked up. This week, apples are a no-go. It's all about the pear. So what do you do when life gives you apples? You make it crisp. Boop it. Boop. Looks perfect. AppleCrisp is done. If fall had a smell, this would be it. Cinnamon, brown sugar, and nutmeg. I feel like I died and went to heaven. And now, of course, for the best part, we taste it. You gotta get some of the topping and apple. Make sure it's not hot. I didn't wait that long. I don't even know what to say. It's heaven. Have it with ice cream, have it with caramel sauce, have it hot, have it cold, have it however you want it. This will make you happy, your toddler happy, and anybody else who comes over. If you're looking for an easy fall bake, this is it. Don't forget to boop that bell and subscribe, and join me for some more fall baking. We're just getting started. Happy baking. Fall baking.